What if everything you've been told about losing weight is missing one crucial piece that could completely change the way you burn fat? Millions of people are choosing the keto diet because it may help reduce cravings, improve satiety, and support healthy weight loss goals when followed correctly. But here's what most beginners don't realize. A few simple mistakes can slow progress, increase frustration, and make the keto diet feel harder than it needs to be. In this video, you'll learn how the keto diet works, how to avoid those mistakes, and how to start with confidence from day one. First, let's understand ketosis, the natural metabolic state where your body begins using fat instead of carbohydrates as its primary fuel source. When carbohydrate intake stays very low, your liver begins producing ketones, giving your body another efficient source of energy to use. This metabolic shift is called ketosis, and it's the reason the keto diet has become one of the most searched weight loss approaches worldwide. But here's something many people don't know. Ketosis doesn't happen overnight. Your body needs time to adapt before you experience consistent results. That's why your first week on the keto diet is so important. Small, consistent choices every day can help you stay on track. The first step is simple. Reduce refined carbohydrates and replace them with nutrient-dense foods that naturally support a well-planned keto diet. Healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, eggs, and salmon help make meals more satisfying, which may reduce hunger between meals for many people. Protein also plays a key role. Foods like chicken, fish, eggs, and beef can help preserve muscle while supporting healthy weight loss goals. One common mistake is eating too much protein and too little healthy fat. A well-planned keto diet focuses on balance, not extremes. After understanding how carbohydrates affect your body, the next step is learning how keto changes your metabolism. Instead of constantly burning sugar for energy, when your body enters ketosis, it begins using stored fat as an energy source instead of relying mainly on carbohydrates. However, keto is not just about cutting carbohydrates. The real key is choosing the right foods that provide your body with essential nutrients while keeping you satisfied and energized throughout the day. One reason many beginners notice changes with keto is that reducing excess carbohydrates can help control hunger and prevent frequent energy crashes. Many beginners make the mistake of choosing any food labeled low carb, but a successful keto lifestyle focuses on real nutrient-rich. The goal of keto is not perfection. The goal is creating a routine you can maintain. When your meals are planned and your choice consistent, protein is another important part of a successful keto approach. It helps support muscle, keeps you feeling full, and provides the building blocks your body needs while you work toward your weight loss goals. Healthy fats are a major part of keto because they provide energy when carbohydrates are reduced. The key is choosing quality sources that support your health. Meal planning can make your keto journey much easier. When healthy choices are already prepared, you are less likely to rely on convenient foods that may slow down your progress. Cravings are common when changing your eating habits. The good news is that choosing satisfying keto-friendly foods can help reduce hunger and make it easier to stay on track. When starting keto, some people notice changes in water balance because the body stores less water with lower carbohydrate intake. Staying hydrated and weight loss is not always measured by the number on a scale alone. Tracking your energy, habits, measurements, and consistency can give you a clearer picture of your overall progress. Many people expect overnight results, but lasting change comes from consistency. Giving your body time to adapt and building healthy habits is what creates sustainable progress. Many beginners struggle because they focus only on removing carbohydrates and forget the bigger picture. A balanced approach with a simple way to start keto is by building balanced meals. Focus on quality protein, healthy fats, and plenty of low-carbohydrate vegetables to give your body the nutrients it needs. Keto works best when combined with healthy lifestyle habits. Regular movement, quality sleep, and consistent routines can support your overall health and make your goals easier to achieve. During the first phase of keto, some people experience changes in energy as the body adapts to using fat for fuel. This adjustment is temporary. The biggest difference between short-term dieting and lasting success is consistency. Creating habits that fit your lifestyle is what helps you maintain progress over time. Before making major changes to your diet, it is important to consider your personal health situation. The best way to begin keto is to keep it simple. Start by improving your food choices step by step instead of trying to change everything overnight. Every person's body responds differently. Paying attention to your energy, hunger, and overall well-being can help you adjust your approach and create a keto plan that works for you. The most successful approach is not following keto for a short period. The real goal is building healthier choices you can continue for the long term. At its core, keto success comes down to choosing quality foods, staying consistent, supporting your body, and creating habits you can maintain. Remember, every successful transformation begins with one decision. Focus on progress, stay consistent, and give your body the time it needs to adapt and improve. Your keto journey is not just about losing weight. It is about understanding your body, building healthier habits, and creating a lifestyle that helps you feel. I spend a lot of time creating these videos for you. If you found this helpful, please support our work by subscribing, liking, and sharing.